The KVM switch from StarView has a USB port in which you can fit a wireless dongle. Cables are provided for connecting video, speaker and mic, and USB of 2 computers to the KVM switch. In my configuration, I have a wireless dongle inserted in the KVM switch and a wireless keyboard and wireless mouse. First of all, I'm going to use the wireless keyboard to type on the Windows 7 machine, and then I'm going to use the mouse to show the cursor moving about the screen. I'm going to switch to the Linux machine and show the keyboard and mouse working as before. So the wireless keyboard works fine on the Linux machine. Notice how when I move the wireless mouse, the wireless dongle in the KVM switch lights up.